What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. You can send a photo from your camera roll as a snap using the sticker features. Open Snapchat, then tap Memories, then open Camera Roll. Select the photo you want, then tap the pencil icon. Tap the scissors tool and then trace around the image. The cutout is automatically saved to your sticker library. Now return to the main camera screen and take a normal live photo. Tap the sticker icon, folded paper, and then select your saved sticker. Pinch and resize it to cover the full screen, then tap Send or plus Story. The image sends like a regular snap, not as a camera roll upload. Just cover the entire screen clearly to avoid borders or transparency. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.